Hello, in this video I will show you a hidden way that you can use to make money using ChatGPT AI. Now, it's a very easy process, and the way that we're going to do is we are going to use Audible affiliate program. So, it's a very easy process and you will get a good amount of money from just simply getting people to sign up for a free trial, as you can see right over here, that you can generate $15 commissions for each trial you generate. So, people don't even have to get the full subscription for Audible. All they need is to sign up for the trial version, and for every trial sign up, you will be getting $15 commission. Now, let me show you how to do this process. So firstly, you have to come to this page. You can just simply do a quick sign up for becoming an affiliate for Audible at Audible Creator Program. All you have to do is click on sign up right over here. And then you will be given a long form. You have to just simply fill it up. You have to add your name, email, confirm email, then username, password. And down below, you will have the option of how exactly you're going to promote Audible's links or Audible's trial page. So over here, just me choose website, and in the link over here, you have to paste a website that I'm going to show you in a bit. And in the business model, just simply choose content and review. And then after filling up all the details, click on sign up. But wait for a few seconds because you will be adding a link before that. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to write a simple article and then upload them on any media website like Medium or Vocal. So to get the article, what you have to do is first go to ChatGPT and then just ask ChatGPT directly, give me 10 best and trending Audible books on Audible. And after that, ChatGPT will gather the information and give you right over here. Once you have the book that you want to promote, for example, Atomic Habit, simply take a look at the product and if it is in trial period or not. As you can see, it is in trial period. Now what you have to do is you have to create a content surrounding this book itself. So after that, just simply ask ChatGPT to write this, as you can see right over here. You can copy the exact prompt, it's totally up to you. Then just simply hit enter, and now just simply wait for the summary. As you can see, it have already started. Now, once you have the summary of the entire book, as you can see right over here, it's time to get some images to make your book or summary more appealing. So for that, you can just simply go to Leonardo, or even you can use Canva's AI image generator. It's totally up to you to get a good image that is related to your summary over here. So you can just simply go to the create new image section right over here, and then just simply get your image from here. Just simply add the prompt, do some settings, and get the image. So after you have your image, just simply download that image. And now it's time to start your article. So firstly, save your image to a location. Now just simply go to a website where you can host your article. Like for example, Medium or Vocal. You can use both of them. So click on Medium right over here. And then just simply do a quick free sign up. It's totally free. Now when you will be at this page over here, scroll down and click on continue with a free account. Now, once your account is made, just simply choose the option of write. So, firstly, the title, go to ChatGPT and get the title from here. Then it's time to add your body. So, again, copy the entire body from ChatGPT, as you can see right over here. And make sure not to get the sources. Then go back to website and paste your story right over here. Now to make your summary more engaging, add some images. So after the line ends, if you click on enter, you will find this plus option. Just simply click on this plus option and then click on this image option right over here. And then upload the image that you just made. Now, once you have the image and your article, it's time to add your affiliate link. But before that, first click on publish. And then simply click on publish now. And now once your story is published, copy the link, go to the Audible affiliate page, paste your link right over here, then complete the sign up process and click on sign up. And now after that, get your affiliate link. Then just simply write something like this and just simply paste your affiliate link on them. So what you have to do is highlight the entire thing. Then click on this link option and paste your affiliate link right over here. And that will make this link a clickable link. by using which people can go directly to the sign up page. Now, copy the exact thing right over here and paste it few more times throughout the summary. Like for example, after this and after this as well. And in the end, after conclusion. And don't make this too spammy. Keep it a little bit. And then once you're done, just simply click on save and publish. Now, if you don't know how to re-edit your article over here, it's a very easy process. Go back to Medium, click on Stories. Then in the Published section, you will have the story. Click on the three dots, click on Edit Story. And this way you will be able to edit the story after you have published the story. Now just simply wait and people will automatically come to your article, and if they like the content, they will click on the link right over here, which will redirect them to the trial page of that exact book, as you can see right over here. And after people will start buying from your link, you will be able to start making money. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.